So we went through the problem solving guide on 2 problems today. Here's one of them. The average person's stride length, the distance covered by one step, is approximately 2.5 feet long. How many steps would the average person take to travel 50 feet? All right, our analyze box. We had the data and we tried to rewrite our question as a statement. We said that the important data was that it's one step is 2.5 feet, and we rewrote our question as it takes blank steps to travel 50 feet. Our plan. We had a total length of 50 feet, and we had a step that was 2.5, the second step 2.5, and we started there. So we talked about how if we had a whole total, we knew we had to cover a whole 50 yards, and we were breaking it apart. That was division. So we moved down to our solve box. Let me grab a pencil or a marker. And here we were dividing decimals. So if you slide on the outside, well, yes, there's no decimal here, but every number has a decimal. It's at the back, Jack. And you slide, and you have to put that 0 for your missing whole, and your new decimal place goes up to the top. And now you're dividing 500 divided by 25. And then to check it. Okay, here we normally estimate our answers. I'll show you the other one here in a second, but we did a T-chart. If one step was 2.5, well, then we said, well, 2 was 5, and we could do 5 times 10 to get to 50, and if we do it to one side, we did it to the other, so we estimated our answer to check and make sure that when we got our answer here, it was 20, so they came out right. Okay, a quick overview of our first problem. Figure out how much he paid for his apples and pears. The important data we said was 92 cents for 1 pound and $1.10 for 1 pound. We came over and we did T-charts, and we made them up to 1, 2, 3 pounds, and so then we put 3.75 and 2.1, and how are we going to get the missing numbers? We came down to our solve box to do our math, and then when we checked it this time, we rounded. Instead of doing 90 cents, they wanted to round it to 90. Instead of doing 3.75 pounds, we did 4, and we got that to 360, and then over here we left 110. It was pretty easy to work with, but they wanted to round 2.1 to 2. And so we just estimated to see if our estimated answer matched our real answer to make sure that they were reasonable.